Joyous reunion. I have to get it on tape. Yay! Yay! Everyone's carrying luggage now. This is so great. We just got to our place. Oh my gosh, check this out. Hey, hey. Oh, hi, Cam.
What's up?
I'm on the stairs. This is awesome. Oh, it's so cool up here. Oh my gosh. There's more rooms than I thought. This is so cool. So we're above the old post office. Aubrey got all settled in. Unpacking already.
First thing always. I love to unpack and just, you know, then I can relax.
There's another bathroom, another bedroom. This place is pretty awesome. Here's another family room. It has a dining table. There's cute Haley. Ta-da!
So fun.
Amber, let's see that new bag.
You like?
So cute. Cammy. We all got the same bag, but different colors. Yay! We're in Boston.
At last, we've been waiting for months.
We have.
Been planned for a long time.
Check out how cute this is. That's where we're staying, just right above the post office. And it's so darling.
Love it.
We're gonna do the Freedom Trail today and just see what else the day holds.
Lots of adventures awaiting.
Yes, and gloves because it's a little chilly out. Hello ladies! Boston day one! Whoop whoop! A cute spooky door. Cammy wanted to come see the Cheers house. Oh, here we go. Here's the bar. Cammy found some new friends. Look how cool this is in here though. Spirals all the way up. Cheers! Boston Public Garden. Loves the squirrel. Yummy looking meal. Mom's getting some roasted nuts. Yum. Mom's feeding everyone. My turn, my turn. Quincy Market. We're just walking through Quincy Market. Are you having fun, Mom?
I'm having so much fun. I had no idea this market was amazing.
I know. You really can find like anything you want to eat
They
here.
had a key lime cheesecake that is calling my name.
Ooh, that does sound good. Hi, Aubrey.
Oh, I was trying to photobomb.
Haley. Checking out the cannolis. You gonna get one?
I'm gonna maybe eat the key lime pie instead.
Everyone's grabbing gummy, lobster suckers. Good picks. Cute little ducks to make way for ducklings. We just all got matching Boston magnets.
I'm just in love with
that's what I want.
That's super cute.
in watercolors. But here's a cute one. You gotta look at
We
this.
got something else.
He taped it.
Oh, it's wrapped
the
up.
duckling.
Oh, the ducklings.
Yeah.
Is it cold out?
It's a little chillier by the water. And all of a sudden it was like, ooh, it's freezing. It's freezing.
Hey guys.
Yes.
More nuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. Boston Public Library time.
Hey there, you and me together, now we stay there. Yeah, you used to play me and it ain't fair. Now we getting crazy, that's the game plan. The game plan, done with being stupid. No way we could do this, acting like we used to. My mind was polluted, filled with all these things, made me so far away. I've been going all in for you, all in for you, all in for you. I'm all in for you, all in for you, all in for you. You and me go way back, so why do we keep stalling, stalling? I knew that you would say that, the way that we keep falling, falling. I've been going all in for you.
Amber found herself a cozy little hideout. Ooh, you got some books. Headed to Max Brenner for dinner. Haley, what does Max Brenner remind you of?
New York, baby.
New York!